Welcome. Today we'll be learning how to punch the holes for your Alligator leather craft kits. If you received an intermediate level kit, you must punch your holes prior to stitching. If you have received a beginner level kit, then your holes have already been pre-punched and you're ready to start stitching. We've included an image of the hole layout that will work for your craft item on our website. You can follow this layout, or if you're more experienced with leather crafts, you can make your own. You will need a cutting board, a stitching chisel, rubber mallet, and a pair of calipers to punch your holes. First, we will draw a straight line with the calipers to get our straight stitch line. Next, we will place our stitching chisel on the line we just created, using the rubber mallet to hit the end of the stitching chisel to create the holes. Be sure that the holes go all the way through the leather. To continue your line of holes, place one of the prongs on the stitching chisel into the last hole you just created. Repeat the process until you get to the corner. At the corner, you will adjust your stitching chisel to the number of holes needed to finish the stitching line, or you can use a smaller stitching chisel. Repeat the entire process again around the rest of your kit.